Hi, my name is Vanessa Mendoza. I'm one of the field engineers here at Hilti, Australia. Today we'll be discussing how to reduce embedment on rebar designs in PROFIS Engineering. Optimizing rebars is crucial for achieving efficient and cost-effective concrete structures. Stay with us as we explore how to do it on the software. We start by clicking on an end anchorage and choosing a wall to slab application. You can see on the screen the different inputs parameters that are used for this design. On the right-hand side, you see the output results for your design from your development length to the different failure modes associated with this design. If you go to the Products tab on the left-hand side and scroll down to the reinforcement information, you can change the spacing of your rebars from 150 mils to 250 mils, and you can do the same for the bottom layer. By doing so, you are changing the development length in the output section on the right-hand side, and you can see that the original development length was 230, and by changing the spacing of the rebar, we have lowered it to 250. This way is one of the ways you can change the development length of the rebar you have in your design. Thank you for watching today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel for more videos.